I'm not sure if this has ever happened to you. Maybe you're in range of multiple trusted networks that you normally connect to. However, you have one that is slightly faster that you would prefer to be connected to instead of the other. So I'm going to show you how to set your preferred networks. So normally your device may join a connection that is slightly slower than the other, but this is a quick fix on how to set the preferred network. So first you want to click on the Wi-Fi symbol over here. You want to open network preferences. Another way to get that is for you to go straight to system preferences, and from system preferences you want to find network. Right? Once you are here, you want to go and click advanced. You have to make sure that Wi-Fi is highlighted over here, and you want to go and click advanced. When you click advanced, under Wi-Fi here, you will have all the previous Wi-Fi connections that your Mac has ever been connected to at some point in time. Now, for you to set the preferred network for your Mac to connect to, let's say I have WeWork and this network right here nearby. However, I prefer my Mac to connect to WeWork. So what I would do is I would click on the network and I will hold it and drag it up and leave it at the top. Whatever networks are at the top of the list, your Mac will set as the preferred network to connect to. Now, since I'm at home right now, this is actually my fastest network. Then I'm actually gonna go and drag that down. Now, if you guys don't know, most Wi-Fi connections use about 2.4 gigahertz. But modern network connections now also give you this 5G option. Now the 5G option is better for short range distances. However, it does give you a slightly faster, more reliable Wi-Fi connection. So whenever you can, if you'd like your Mac to connect to a 5G network because it's not so far from the actual router, then you can actually put the 5G up on the top, so that way it leaves room for 2.4 gigahertz devices to connect to, so that way your Mac as well as your other devices have a little bit more of a reliable connection. All right, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you get alerted whenever I come out with a new video. If there's any thing I missed out, please let me know in the comment. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment. Any new topic or any issues you guys are having with your Mac you guys would like an answer to, please put that in the comment. I'm here to help. Let me know. Other than that, see you in the next video, YouTube.